Folklore of Suantraí Íosa, where we're looking at the readings for tomorrow, the feast of St. Barnabas, the 11th of June, in the 10th week of the year. The gospel tomorrow is perhaps the most radical statement of Christ in the Sermon on the Mount. And that is, all you need to say is yes if you mean yes, and no if you mean no. Anything more comes from the evil one. In an age of spin, of presenting it, of my rights to the exclusion of everybody else's, of shouting down people, this is one of the most radical statements that Christ has to make, asking us to be humble, honest, and truthful. Let your yes be yes, and your no be no. And the person of Barnabas, whose feast day is tomorrow, his nickname was the Son of Encouragement. He was a person of truth and not blarney. Blarney is where we say nice things about people that are not true. And we don't challenge the lies in society. Barnabas challenged society by presenting the truth of Christ, but did it in a most humble, honest, and truthful way that embodies this passage of the scriptures powerfully. In your life, live the truth. Live it humbly, acknowledging that all of us are flawed, but that we're called to live by a standard that is greater than us. And when we cease to aspire to that standard, we have begun to tell ourselves a falsehood. And if you travel on a false road, you will be lost. Jesus, speaking at the Last Supper, says to his disciples, I am the way. I am the way, the truth, and the life. And we're called to live that by being humble, honest, and truthful in our dealings, first of all, with ourselves and our relationship with God, and then with our brothers and sisters in the community. Yes, indeed, let your yes be yes, and your no be no. And remember, anything else comes from the evil one. Let us pray that we shall awaken in the morning with the praise of God on our hearts and on our lips. Agus gamanal dia ilakot kshiv ahar mak agus spirit nev. Amen. Slán go fóill. Bye for now.